Hello everyone and welcome. Many people use Excel to create reports. Excel helps you organize your data. It also helps you create clear and visual reports. Today, we will learn about conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is one of the most useful Excel features. It can automatically highlight important data. This makes your report much easier to read. Let's get started. Conditional formatting automatically changes the format of the cell when a specific condition is met. For example, you can use data bars, color scales, or highlight cell rules. This feature helps you understand your data more quickly. Another advantage is that it is very easy to use. You only need a few mouse clicks. Today, we will learn 4 useful conditional formatting rules. Now, let's move to the second worksheet. This worksheet contains below data from a microfinance institution in Uganda. Our task is very simple. We'll highlight loan amount above 1 million Uganda shilling in light green. We'll also highlight loan amounts below 600,000 Uganda shilling in the light red. Please note that this is sample data for training purpose. First, select cell F6 through F13. Go to the Home tab. Click Conditional Formatting. Choose Highlight Cell Rules. Then choose Greater Than. Enter 1 million. Choose Green Field with dark green text. You can also choose Custom Format if you want. Click OK. Now our value above 1 million are highlighted automatically. Next, let's highlight the smaller values. Select the same range, choose Less Than. Enter 600,000. Choose light red field with dark red text. Click OK. Now our value below 600,000 are highlighted automatically. Let's change one of the numbers. Notice what happened. The formatting changes immediately. Conditional formatting updated automatically whenever the data changes. Now, let's move to the third worksheet. This worksheet shows family planning service data. The data is from April 2026. Our task is to highlight the bottom 20%. We'll highlight the health facility with the lowest performance. First, select the April 2026 doses dispensed column. Go to the Home tab. Click Conditional Formatting. Choose Top-Bottom Rules. Then choose Bottom 10%. Change the value from 10 to 20. Click OK. Now the bottom 20% is highlighted automatically. Let's change one of the value. Notice what happened. The result updated immediately. Conditional formatting updated automatically every time the data changes. This feature is very useful in real work. For example, you can find health facility with low vaccinated coverage. You can also find facility with low family planning performance. You can use it for school attendance, agriculture production, or budget performance. Conditional formatting helps you identify areas that need additional support. Now, let's move to the first worksheet. This time, we will highlight cells that contain specific text. Our target text is Please Verify. First, select the cell G17. Type Please Verify. Next, select cell G6 through G12. Go to Conditional Formatting. Choose Highlight Cell Rules. Then choose Text that contains. Delete the text in the box, then select cell G17. Click OK. Now, every cell containing Please Verify is highlighted automatically. This method is very useful when reviewing comments. You can quickly find messages that need attention. You can also highlight it like errors, warning, or important notes. Today, we'll learn how to use conditional formatting. We highlighted large values, small values, the bottom 20%, and cell containing specific text. Conditional formatting helps you analyze data more quickly. It also makes your reports much easier to read. I hope you will use this feature in your daily work. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.